I can't believe this is happening. My dog is piloting an advanced air mobility aircraft.
Who said dogs can't fly?
Please tell me you know what you're doing.
Of course I do. Aviate, navigate, communicate. All you need to do, Lula, is enjoy the ride.
I'll try. It's a brand new world. Oh no! Is that a fire?
Where?
Down there, Astro.
We need to stop it before the wind picks up even more, and it goes out of control. Time for Operation 3.
What's Operation 3? I forgot what Operation 3 is.
It's communicate. Air traffic control, this is EDN-88. We spotted a small forest fire. We're at 400 feet ASL, about 1 mile from CA66, headed northwest.
Copy that, EDN-88. There's no radar coverage there, but I can see you on the drone traffic management system. You're in experimental airspace. Hang on, EDN-88. I'm going to immediately alert the emergency response station and you'll be good to go.
Yes! Okay, so air traffic control sends out a signal to the emergency response center, which then contacts the fire station to send out remotely piloted drones. Those drones precisely locate the fire. Then a larger fire suppression aircraft is deployed to extinguish the fire before it spreads.
We did it!
The fire's out!
Science.
And engineering. Don't want to forget that.
Wow! I think we've just found 2 new recruits for our test team.
Are you serious? That would be amazing!
This aircraft has only been remotely piloted, so it's great to know you both are safe.
It was also super fun.
Wait. Astro, were you?
Piloting the aircraft? Sure was. You're the one who helped me take the test to get a pilot's license through the FAA. It was easy as...
Aviate, navigate, communicate!
The
future is now!